YouTube, what's going on, fam? Welcome back. Look, guys, I built my physique at home, with minimum equipment. I don't go to a gym. I work out right at home, and you guys see what I was able to build, man. Look, great things take time. Ain't nothing great, man, happens overnight. You got to be willing to put the work in, day out. I'll be lying to you guys if I say I be motivated every single time when I train. That's not the case. Motivation comes and goes. Motivation will get you started. But discipline is what will keep you going. You guys got to realize that, man. Like, you cannot just give up when you don't see results in the first week, the second week, the first month. You want to give up because you ain't seeing results. You guys don't realize, man, I've been training for 5 years. You don't know how much work I have to put in, the consistency. You guys do not understand, like, it's no shortcut. This was built at home through hard work, discipline, consistency, and showing up even on days when I do not feel like showing up. You have to have a reason why you're doing it. Remember your why. When you're not feeling motivated to do it, you always have to remember your why to get you locked back into that mode. That's the only way that you're going to continue to keep going, guys. That's how you're going to see results. And eventually, man, your results will come to show. Let's go! fam, so it's a few hours later, and it's currently 3:40 right now, but I'm supposed to go ahead and cook meal number 3, guys. This is my 3rd meal. For post-workout meal, I didn't show it, but I did have some chili. I had that last night, had some leftovers, so I just had that for post-workout. Also, too, guys, I get this question a lot. You guys want to know where I got my workout equipment when it comes to dumbbells. You know, everything that I use, dumbbells, weighted vest, dip bar, pull-up bar, all that. I will leave the link in the description down below, so you guys feel free to check it out and buy it. Also, too, if you want to lose fat and build muscle right at home to little to no equipment, guys, I also will leave that workout program description down below. Start your transformation today and get jacked. Build your body, guys, in 90 days. Summertime right around the corner. Some of you guys want to look good, you know, walking around. You want to walk around with your shirt off. You want to have muscle. You know, you want to have them arms pumped, you know, just busting out that shirt when you on a dinner with your girl or whatever, man. Look, get the workout program, get right, build your body, guys. Get right, get in shape. But like I said, guys, I'm going to go ahead and cook this next meal, which I'm going to have just some beef, rice, and broccoli. That'll be meal number 3, guys. Right now, I'm currently eating around 4 to 5 meals a day. 4 to 5 meals a day. My 5th meal or my 4th meal will be some type of protein source. So I wouldn't have no carbs, whether it's a protein snack, I might do a protein shake, or what I've been doing lately is 2 cans of tuna, guys, since they have 33 G's of protein each can. And that'll be, you know, what I have for my 5th or 4th meal. And that'll be it, guys, for the day. So I keep my meals very simple, very solid. As you guys can see, it's definitely working. We're looking pretty swole, pretty solid. We're putting on some size. So, all right, fam. So changing plans. We're going to go ahead and do some cardio and abs. It is currently 3:52 right now. And I'm going to try to make it back before 5 to get this 3rd meal in. So we're going to do cardio for at least, I want to say 30 to 40 minutes, guys. But I ain't gonna lie, I was gonna skip cardio today. I was like, you know what? I'm not fit to do cardio, man. So that's what we fit to do. You guys gotta have your reason why. You know, you gotta have reason why. I tell people this all the time. People ask me how I stay motivated. I'm kind of self-motivated in a sense, but then again, guys, like, I gotta win. You feel me? I gotta win. Take some pre-workout. We're gonna get it in and popping, guys. So I'm gonna do abs, like I said. I'm gonna do some cardio, and I'm gonna do abs, and I'm also gonna hit calves. I'm gonna hit some calves as well, y'all. So let's go ahead and get that going, man. Get it going. Yes, sir. Hope you guys, man, having a great day so far. Hope this video motivates you, you know, to exercise. If you're new to my channel, man, look, social media is going crazy, you know, and I appreciate everybody for real who show love, you know, to my content. They really rock with me. It means the world to me, man. I try to see all of you guys' comments, man. I be getting comments, so many comments and DMs left to right. Man, trying to, you know, take control all that by myself. This shit can be difficult. No cap. So I'll be trying to reply to you guys, man, my DMs and check my emails and stuff like that. That shit can be overwhelming sometimes, y'all. But who I am, if it wasn't for the man above, if it wasn't for God. So all glory goes to God, you know, and more than many blessings, man. This our year, we turning up. But yeah, so I got my pre-workout right here, y'all. Got my pre-workout. I'm gonna hit you guys up after the cardio session, man. Let's get it. All right, y'all. So cardio is completed. But for my 3rd meal, guys, I did say I was gonna have beef instead of beef. I want to just grab me some Panda Express. Look, I'm trying to put you guys on game. This right here will put sauce on you, man. But as you guys see, we got the fried rice. Fried rice, y'all. We have the chow mein. We have the orange chicken. And we have the honey, sesame chicken. I think I'm saying that right. You guys see, man. It's right there. I'm telling you guys, this meal right here will put sauce on you. This is my go-to order when I do eat from Panda Express. I always get this same exact order. So there you guys go. But I'm in the video off right here. Like I said earlier, guys, all the equipment that I use for the home gym, I will link it in the description down below. Workout program. Get the workout program. Start the transformation today so you can build size. Tomorrow, guys, will be a full day of eating. So I'm going to show you guys everything that I eat in the day to get this physique, man, so stay tuned. But it's your boy DM the Great. I love you guys, man. Keep showing love, keep supporting, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out. Peace.